Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? What's going on? Today video is going to be very special for Enjin coin. Enjin coin is very badly falls down, and all cryptocurrency, my friends. This time you can see here the all crypto market chart are very badly falls down. You can see here Bitcoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, but in those days they also goes down. So my friends, you can see here this time the Dogecoin is one of the unique and a crypto market today go up. Very good moving up, and this is the very last latest price. You can see 0.3251 US dollar is the latest price, and 12.06% they're going up. So this is very high target, my friend, and the Dogecoin target is 1 US dollar. Or if they hit it 1 US dollar, they may make you millionaire. So this is not a financial video, my brother, but I just advise you to please, if you invest in these days, absolutely the Dogecoin is one of the good coin. So please invest in Dogecoin and make money. My friends, come to the point. Enjin coin is very badly falls down. Why they falls down? What's my prediction? What's my opinion? Please, everything in this video, keep watch, don't skip any second of this video, my friend. Enjin coin, this time you can see here, and the last 24 hour very badly falls down, my friend, very badly. And I told you all cryptocurrencies falls down. You can see here minus 11.86%. Enjin coin barely falls down, but the latest price, if you check out this time, they can hit at 3 US dollar just today. I hope they can hit it, my friend. First of all, my prediction is also I told you in this video. So let's see those prediction. First of all, you can see here I draw a line F1 and this time F2 line. So these both line, please understand, very important. If you can see here, after a very high jump, they take a very badly falls. You can see here very badly dump. After this dump, they take again jump, my friend. So this is circulation. If you can see here, this is circulation of up and fails and jump. Absolutely, this is circulation, my friend. To if you understand this time, the circulation is moving up. So I think in upcoming days they also going up, and our target is very high. Our target is 4 US dollar. Oh my goodness, yes. But at those days, absolutely, and today they can easily hit it 3.0 US dollar. I think 3 US dollar, my friend, they can hit it easily. But if the change occur, if you could see here, the change occur minus 9.87% going down. So if the change occur and positive, then I hope they can hit it 3 US dollar today. So thanks for watching, my friend. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, because this is good for you, because the good time is coming soon now, and they give you very good profit. So what's your opinion? Also share in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.